Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price section, where Bitcoin is right now consolidating here around the 51,000 US dollars. So if you want to be finding out about what Bitcoin is about to do, make sure to right away slap up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell notifications so you will be definitely not miss out on any of the further content that we're going to drop out on this channel. And with that being said, guys, let me jump right away in towards the content. So what we can currently see here on the market is that Bitcoin has been seeing, of course, a significant increasement together with the higher lows getting formed here. But right now what I want to be seeing here is that Bitcoin is going to be either break above this top side of resistance, or either, of course, break below this lower side of support. Because, of course, as soon as Bitcoin thus is going to be failing to hold on towards the support, we're going to be seeing a lower target is going to get visited around the 49.3k in my opinion, and this will be for me a very strong accumulation range for my trade here. Because if Bitcoin is going to come down towards this 49.3k level, aka this horizontal box approximately over here, this green range over here, I will be trying to, of course, add more valuation towards my trade here, because I personally think it's a very strong trading accumulation zone here. So if you already are not in a swing trade position, that could be, of course, an extremely strong range here where you could be starting to be accumulating your positions at. As well, if we're going to be seeing a top side getting broken here on the channel here, so the 4-hourly high getting broken, we're most likely going to see a massive continuation towards the upside. But then in order for Bitcoin to really continue its way through here, I do want to be seeing Bitcoin breaking the range high here. Of course, yesterday we already retested the range high. The range high is, of course, the highest zone of the current trend that we're trading in, and that's, of course, in this case, the 51.7k here. So far, not being able to be breaking through this level yet here, and of course, this was also a level that I was approaching as major resistance from the past here. So far as well, if we're not going to close a 4-hourly candle above this level, we're not going to see this continuation towards this level around the 54,000 US dollars, because the 54,000 US dollars is, of course, the most critical range here that we have to be breaking in this whole trend here. So in my opinion, yes, we are right now bullish on the imminent short term, but can we be staying extremely bullish here as long as we're not broke above the 51.7k and not broke above the 54k? No, I don't think so. So yes, we are bullish, but it could be still take, let's say, maybe a couple weeks before Bitcoin is really going to be going in towards its massive bump here. Because yeah, in order to go big for Bitcoin to go in its massive bump here and it's a massive market reversal, I personally have to see the market trading above the 54,000 US dollars again. And of course, as long as we're not going to do so, I will be adding more to my swing trade position along the market down here. So that's a very important thing to look out for right now. Of course, Bitcoin on the 1-hour candles, like you can see here, as well, got rejected by the range high here, not able to close its 1-hour candle above it. But right now, it looks to be that Bitcoin has been forming a critical downward sloping support, resistance line together with an upward sloping support line. So of course, these two lines here are right now forming a symmetrical triangle. This symmetrical triangle here on the Bitcoin chart is going to be breaking out in the coming hours today here. So if you want to be finding out about this breakout, make sure that you're first of all going to be following us on Twitter, and as well make sure to slap up that subscriber button right now, because as soon as we're going to see this breakout, I will be dropping out a video for you guys here on the channel. So do not forget to smash up the bell notification right now. Of course, the breakout of this pattern could be determining, of course, whether Bitcoin is going to be seeing, of course, another retest of the range high here, or, of course, it's going to be leaning for Bitcoin to visit, of course, some lower targets again. So I am very much looking forward towards where we're heading towards from this point. The Bitcoin is indeed going to create some imminent volatility. While it was yesterday creating, of course, a lot of bearish divergence on those highs here, right now they could be starting to get invalidated as soon as we're going to start pumping again. So very important to look at right now. And of course, let's see where we're heading towards from this point. So as well, last thing I want to be saying to real quickly, like, raise the awareness about what Bitcoin is currently doing here, is that Bitcoin on the daily time frame is looking extremely bullish, because Bitcoin in the daily time frame broke a massive giant trend here, of course, has been forming massive bullish divergence, and most likely this is going to lead towards a massive continuation up here. My price target on the Bitcoin daily price chart is, of course, going to be the 68.8k, so make sure to check that out here, because yeah, this is going to be an, of course, pretty big ride that we're going to go for. As well, last thing I want to be saying here if you still want to be trading here on BYBIT, and if you want to be getting access towards the Rover Trends indicator, make sure to check the link in the description, of course. But yeah, if you want to be trading on BYBIT, you're currently as well going to get a $4,100 deposit bonus. If you want to be claiming that deposit bonus, make sure to sign up here in the link in the description. And of course, if you want to be, let's say in the future, buy Costa tokens, they will be as well going to go through BYBIT. So if you want to be buying them in the future as well, make sure to already set up your account here on BYBIT. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.